learning Chinese language, learning a word every day. Today we are learning about 正常. First, let's watch an animation about the word 正常.
你今天怎么一直发呆，有点不正常。
正常什么意思？
正常就是平常的状态。
A few minutes later.
我的体温是36.5摄氏度，很正常。
这次你说的正常也是平常的状态的意思吗？
这里的正常表示体温正常，也就是健康没有发烧的意思。
Later.
天气坏了，不能正常运行。
正常不是用来形容人的吗？
正常可以形容很多东西，不只是人。
那我现在能听懂中文，正常吗？
当然正常，你学得很好。
太好了，我还以为我不正常呢。Today, we will learn the usage of the word 正常 in Chinese. Before learning the usage, let's read it 3 times together. 正常, 正常, 正常. The Chinese word 正常 means normal, usual, in accordance with rules or common situations. It has several common usages in daily life. First scenario, 你有点不正常. Let's read it 3 times together. 你有点不正常. 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 It means you are a bit unusual, not acting like yourself. Here, 正常 describes a person's usual state. Second scenario, 体温正常. Let's read it 3 times together. 体温正常. 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 It means body temperature is normal, showing that the body is healthy. Third scenario, 不能正常使用. Read with me 3 times. 不能正常使用. 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 It means cannot be used normally, often used for machines, tools, phones, etc. Scenario 4, 正常情况. Let's read it 3 times together. 正常情况. 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 It means under normal circumstances, usually. Scenario 5, 这很正常. Read it 3 times with me. 这很正常. 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 It means this is very normal, this is common, used to comfort others. The opposite of 正常 is 不正常, meaning abnormal, unusual, or not working properly. In daily life, 正常 is used to describe people, bodies, machines, and situations. Okay, that's all about the usage of the Chinese word 正常. Here's a suggestion for you. When learning Chinese, you can try to give yourself an authentic Chinese name. In this way, when interacting with Chinese people in the future, they will be more likely to remember you and leave a better impression on them. If you want to choose a Chinese name, you can watch my other videos or visit directly www.chinesename.me. Choose a genuine and meaningful Chinese name for yourself. All right, that's all for today's study. Goodbye.